attention. Hi guys. Today is Lily's and Charlie's birthday, so we are going to wrap some presents and make cake and go for a walk. And now let's ask them what they want in their cake. Charlie, do you want lettuce? Do you want lettuce? No. Do you want this? This. Yeah. She does. Say, Lily, do you want carrots? Lily, you want carrots? I love carrots. Hi guys, making Charlie cake, Charlie Lily cake, going presents, going power, going walk, cook dinner.
What else are you gonna do?
We're making a cake. Making cake.
And what cake? So what did Charlie choose?
He picked sausages, bacon, carrots, and ham.
Okay.
My dear perfect.
No strawberries?
No, he doesn't like
So would you like strawberry yourself?
And what Lily wants in the cake, Amelia?
Lily, spinach cake.
No, what she wants in her
What
cake.
did she choose from this plate?
What is this?
Bacon.
Bacon, ham, carrots.
She likes asparagus?
No.
No. And lettuce?
Yes.
Yes? For some healthy snack?
Yes.
And strawberry?
No.
She doesn't want strawberry? On top?
No.
Bacon.
Maybe. Charlie eating Badger. Charlie like carrots. Monkey. Monkeys. Monkey. Lily. You want to help me cut? Cut. No. No, that's me. Charlie, this is gonna be for your cake, okay? So you won't get to know. Charlie one hand. Charlie one hand.
Charlie!
Ow! Ow!
Charlie! Get out.
No, you bit my finger. You're not getting cake. Charlie not getting cake.
Charlie! Lily! Lily, Boo-Boo, what you did? What you did? What are you doing? Go to bed, Lily. Lily! Lily!
Now we're gonna wrap all the presents. Wrap all the presents!
This is for who?
Lily. Lily! My giving Lily gift.
You think Charlie and Lily gonna be happy?
Yeah! Make them cake. How long is that here?
Yes.
Okay.
For who are you making cake?
Charlie. Lily. I'm making Lily cake. Burning.
Well done, Amy.
My feet are Charlie, Lily. Hi. Let's see.
How Hold on, first they have to sit down.
Happy birthday, Charlie Lily. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie and Lily. Happy birthday to the cake. Hey, I made that one like that. Oh yeah, that. Big my cake.
This is
Yay!
Charlie does.
Banana cake.
Charlie.
Happy birthday, Charlie Lily. Happy birthday to Lily. Wow.
Stay here, Boogie.
Lily would need fork and knife, I think.
You like my cake?
Look at Lily, Bunny. How nicely she's eating.
Charlie is very nice. Charlie is not very nice.
Very nice.
Charlie is very nice. Charlie?
Nothing.
Charlie, want this? I think he doesn't want anymore.
He doesn't know what's going on. Good, Charlie. I think you're best chefs ever.
Yeah, my chair.
You and our, yes.
Yes, my Beagle is making my cake good. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. I don't like it. Chili, you like it? Oh, happy birthday to you. Need carrots anymore? Yes, I'm gonna eat all.
Okay, give it to me.
Now let's move on to the presents. High five, Charlie. Guys, this is your present. Open this. This is yours. No, Lily, this is yours.
Be careful, sweetheart. One second. Lau Amalia.
Just give it seconds.
Happy? Happy? Are you happy? Look at me, Daddy.
Be careful.
Do you like it?
Okay, next one.
Charlie, this is yours. There you go. Open it. That's what you get.
Scratching you.
Charlie, this is it.
Bobo!
Charlie! No. This one.
it. Amelia, you throw as well.
No!
Bobo, leave it.
You let Lily open it. Return it. Lily! Lily, yes. Turn it. Next one.
Second.
I think he wants another present.
Yeah. Let's move on to the next present. Yeah.
Pass it to me. I pass you, Amelia. I will give it to you. No? Sit.
Charlie, this is your one.
Lily, here. Lily.
Lily. No, this is Charlie.
Here, Lily.
Here. Yay! Next present.
But wait, give him 2 seconds. Give it to me.
Charlie Lily. Stop. Yay, Lily Bob, happy. Mommy Pop. No, Charlie, here.
Lily,
Lily.
where is the present? Go, give it.
You got a doggy. No, Lily.
Again? Yeah. Throw it to her.
I got Charlie. Charlie.
Charlie, more presents. Oh, wait, don't open the pouch.
A squeaky bone. It's Scooby-Doo. Are you happy?
Yum, 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 yum.
Now let's go for a walk. Can we walk?
Are you happy, Bobo?
Thank you for watching Charlie's and Lily's birthday. I hope you had an excellent day. Bye.